Giving a clean slate, a fresh start in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have heard, give a clean slate. This phrase is packed with meaning and history, and understanding it can help you in both everyday conversations and more formal English settings. Let's explore what it means to give someone a clean slate, and how you can use this phrase in your own conversations. The phrase, give a clean slate, refers to forgiving someone's past mistakes or forgetting about their past failures and starting over again. It's like wiping away all the marks on a slate, which was historically used for writing before the invention of paper and pens, to begin fresh. When you give someone a clean slate, you're offering them a new beginning or a chance to start again without any prejudice. Understanding the origins of phrases can often help us grasp their meanings more deeply. The term, clean slate, comes from a time when slates were used in schools for writing. If a student made a mistake, they could simply wipe the slate clean and start over. This concept has since been metaphorically applied to various aspects of life, symbolizing the act of forgiving and forgetting past errors. Now that you know what it means to give a clean slate, let's see how to use this phrase in sentences. After the argument, they decided to give each other a clean slate and move forward. The new policy allows first-time offenders to have a clean slate after completing their community service. I believe in giving people a clean slate so they can learn from their mistakes. Using this phrase can convey compassion, forgiveness, and the willingness to allow for growth and new beginnings. It's also useful to know similar phrases or synonyms that convey the same idea. Here are a few. Start with a blank canvas. Turn over a new leaf. Wipe the slate clean. Begin anew. Understanding these similar phrases can enrich your vocabulary and make your English more nuanced and expressive. We hope this video has shed light on the meaning and usage of give a clean slate. It's a beautiful phrase that encapsulates the spirit of forgiveness and new beginnings. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply looking to expand your vocabulary, remembering and using phrases like this can greatly enhance your communication skills. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video. Remember, every day is a chance to wipe the slate clean and start afresh.